Now this is the ECOVACS Dbot T30S combo. It's part of the family of the T30S. Today we're going to look at the features of this and what's the difference between the T30S and the combo. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below. Basically, this is the same family as the Dbot T30S. If you want to get the combo, you get an extra stick vacuum, as you can see here. It comes with 3 accessories as well. This is great for using it on your staircase, on your couch, just little spots in the home that the robot cannot reach. But if you want a more affordable version of this, you can just get the T30S instead. Now the T30S Omni is great if you only need floor cleaning and wish to have like a high-end robot vacuum that can free you from cleaning. Basically, you can schedule the robot so that it'll clean and mop when you need it. The T30S Omni costs $1,000 and the combo goes up to $1,200. Now, in my experience, having robot vacuums is kind of tiresome just because sometimes the brush hairs kind of gets caught on it and it stays there, and then it's so hard to take off. It'll pick up a bunch of hair, strings, different sorts of things, and it will continue to block your main brush. With this one, it comes with the Zero Tangle Technology. The T30S has a V-shaped brush and dual combs to prevent tangles. It efficiently removes hair as well and ensure low maintenance and thorough cleaning. The T30S can also go up to 11,000 PA of high suction. So if you have like much bigger dirt in one area and hair as well, it'll be able to suck all that. And I find that it's really efficient and it doesn't have to go through the cleaning process twice. The Zero Tangle Anti-Tangle Technology by ECOVACS is actually one of the most unique features compared to other robot vacuums out there. Please put me back. So this is the brush after it's cleaning, as you could see. It's a bit dirty, but there is no tangle. Pretty good. There's a little bit of hair here and there, but it's super easy to take off. That's what you want, so it's easier to clean. The next feature is the True Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping. I love this robot vacuum because when it mops, it actually goes closest to the side walls and even the corners. It's able to clean really close to the corners. When going through underneath like chairs and also dining tables, it's able to clean really close to the legs as well, and it's able to adapt on moving objects that maybe your toddler had put in place in the middle. It'll be able to adapt and go around it without any problems at all. So right now I have it going right here, and I have about 3 different obstacles right there. And let's see how well it does. So that's one example, like if your toddler has like little toys, it's able to go around that and clean around it. Be good. Let's try taking this off now and let's see if it cleans over it. As you can see, it's able to go around that as well. After it processes, let's take it off and see if it adapts to it. Again, it sees the item, goes around it. As you can see there, it's able to drag it around because it's super light, but it did clean around it, which is really good. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to take off the item here. There it is. As you can see, it's able to clean where it didn't before, because now it doesn't detect the item. Pretty good. The next feature is the multi-surface cleaning, which combines the robot vacuum and handheld vacuum with exclusive tech for efficient cleaning anywhere on your house. You'll be able to use this to clean sofas, doors, windows, and you can return it to the base station and it will actually get rid of dirt that you've sucked in the stick vacuum. The fourth feature is the smart integration. The T30S has an AI intelligent cleaning. So, for example, if you've been using this for maybe a week or so and you've done a few cleanings already, the robot will be able to go around your home and detect if there's furnitures that have been moved or things that have been changed. At the same time, it will pick the best cleaning combination for your home so that it'll be able to clean efficiently and more accurately. I like how it's able to detect the carpet to the flooring, the differentiation between the two, and it's able to lift the mop as well off the floor when it's only using the vacuum on rugs and carpets. And the best part about the AI is you're able to talk to the T30S using their AI robot named Yiko. So you'll be able to say, okay, Yiko, start cleaning, or okay, Yiko, return to the base. It's also compatible with the Apple Watch so that the robot will start cleaning. And the last feature here is the all-in-one Omni station, which makes the hard part of owning a robot vacuum much easier. You don't have to change the water so much. You can fill up the water tank once and it'll be good for a couple of weeks or up to a month, depends on how much your vacuum is using, which can be changed on the app. It is also self-emptying. It will clean the mop as well, so that when you start cleaning, it will actually have a clean mop. And once it's done, it will clean the mop and use hot air to dry the mop so it doesn't stink. And if you're looking at the mop here, it's super clean as well. That's after a few cleanings. Really good. As you could see, almost no maintenance on this vacuum. Also, after cleaning, you can check. As you can see, it's not even damp at all. It's able to clean or dry up the mop with the hot air. Now let's look at the dirty water tank as well after cleaning. As you can see there, it did a really good job of cleaning. Let's open it up. There it is. And that's how much dirt it was able to get from our floors. So let's take out our vacuum here as well because it is self-cleaning. As you could see, the base was able to suck out all the dirt from the stick vacuum as well. Pretty cool. This is where the base sucks out all the dirt from the stick vacuum. And all the dirt goes to one bag, which is in here. Good for about 6 months. Oh, so thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the brand new D-Bot T30S. And this is the combo version. I'll link everything down below. There will be a promo code there as well, so go ahead and check that out. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Peace.